Look, the market's down. Your Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're sitting on paper losses. And honestly, selling right now, that's just locking those losses in. Now here's the thing. There's a third option most retail crypto holders don't even know about: borrowing against your crypto without selling it. Today, I'm walking you through the step-by-step on Nexo. It's a comprehensive wealth platform for digital assets, and personally, I use it for exactly this, especially relevant in market conditions like right now. So, here's the math most beginners completely miss. If you sell Bitcoin at $78,000 and you bought at $90K, you just locked in a $12,000 loss. And it gets worse. If Bitcoin bounces back to $90K 3 months later, you also miss the recovery. A crypto-backed loan flips that whole equation. You keep your Bitcoin, you use it as collateral, you get cash now, and when you've got liquidity later, you repay, and your Bitcoin stayed yours through the entire cycle. Honestly, it's the same playbook corporate treasuries use, just at retail scale. Now, Nexo isn't just a place to borrow, it's an all-in-one wealth platform. Earn yield, borrow, and trade, all from one platform. They've been operating since 2018. Over 7 million users worldwide, $8 billion in assets under management, and $1.3 billion paid in interest to clients. Here's an important update. In 2026, Nexo re-entered the US market on regulated infrastructure through BTC. So now, this is a legitimate option for US residents. The product I'm focused on today is their credit line, borrowing against your crypto without selling. Step 1, sign up. Use the link in the description. If you're in the US, my link is whitelisted for the current welcome bonus. That means 30 days at Wealth Club Premier Tier with up to 12% yield, borrowing rates from 2.9%, and trading cashback on your first $100,000 of trades. The bonus requires a $5,000 deposit in your first 7 days. Important, this welcome bonus is for US residents only, and it's not available in New York. Step 2, complete KYC. Standard ID verification takes 5 to 10 minutes. After approval, you've got full access to the platform. Step 3, deposit your collateral. Send your Bitcoin or Ethereum to your Nexo wallet. The collateral stays yours, but now it's eligible for borrowing against. Step 4, open the credit line. You'll see 2 main options: the regular credit line, variable APR depending on your loyalty tier and asset, ranging from 0.9% to 12.9% in the US. And then there's zero interest credit, which Nexo calls ZIC, actually 0% APR, available for Bitcoin and Ethereum collateral only. Step 5, choose your loan amount. The platform shows you your maximum loan-to-value ratio, or LTV. Conservative LTVs, under 30%, keep you well away from liquidation if your collateral drops in price. Step 6, receive your funds. Stablecoins are instant. Fiat to a bank account typically arrives within 24 hours. Step 7, use the funds. No restrictions. The borrowed money is yours to deploy. Step 8, repay flexibly. The regular credit line, pay back when you've got the liquidity. ZIC has a fixed term with a predefined repayment range, but you can extend with one tap before maturity. Now, ZIC is one of the more interesting products on the market right now. Zero APR, no fees, no margin calls during the term. There's built-in downside protection through Nexo's minimum repayment price mechanism. And honestly, it actually won FinTech Breakthrough's 2026 Consumer Lending Product of the Year. One important note, ZIC is not available in New York. The regular credit line is available across most US states. Real talk on risks. Crypto-backed loans have liquidation risk if your collateral drops far enough below your loan amount. The lower your LTV, the size of the loan compared to the collateral, the safer you are. Don't borrow at maximum LTV. Don't borrow more than you can comfortably repay. And honestly, treat it as a financial tool, not free money. This is a sponsored partnership with Nexo. The sign-up link with the current welcome bonus is in the description. The welcome bonus is for US residents only, not eligible in New York. Full terms via the link. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and drop in the comments. Would you borrow against your crypto, or do you prefer to sell? I'm genuinely curious where US holders are leaning right now. Not financial advice. Always do your own research before depositing crypto on any platform.